Hello. Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Okay, today is 14th January US session, and this is going to be a news trading. And do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. Okay, with that, I think we move on to our live analysis. Okay, the key data that is going to be out tonight is from the US, core PPI month on month and PPI month on month. Okay, and the core PPI month on month forecast was, is 0.2%. The previous was 0.2%. That means market is expecting more or less the same as the previous month. And the month on month, the PPI, the previous was 0.4% and forecast is 0.4%. Okay, so any data that is better than what you see or what is to be expected, then we can expect to see the dollar strength to continue. And on the other hand, if the data came out to be as expected, then we would also see the dollar strength happening. But unless the data disappoints by pretty big margin, okay, it means that if let's say it came out to be like 0.1% or 0.00, or even the PPI month on month maybe 0.2 or 0.1, then we might see a big movement happening. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to do a pre-announcement. Okay, pre-announcement. And what we are doing is we are going to tell you what is to be expected. Then after that we will be doing a post announcement. Post announcement meaning after the data is out, okay, how is it expected and how the move is expected to be moving of the market. So what we have done is, okay, we are trying to go on the dollar strength. Okay, we are trying to go on the dollar strength, and we are trying to sell euro dollar at 10280. Okay, stop at 330, and we believe that if the data is good, then we might see the price breaking the low and towards 10150, and this is a half lot. Then we have one more trade which is also trying to sell euro at 10310, and this one is 340. Okay, maybe I think we can raise it to 350 50. And this is also, we will put this as 150, and we will see, and we will do the adjustments later on. Okay, dollar yen. Okay, right now is already trading near the level. Okay, already trading near the level. So what we can do is, okay, slightly lower it to by another 20 pips, because we still have another another 25 minutes more. So we'll bring it down to 57.50 and 57.10, and this one is 59.50. Okay, so this is also half lot, and we will try to go into the trade. Okay, let me see, 30, yeah. Then gold. Okay, right now the market is trading at 2670 half. Okay, we are trying to sell at 2680. Okay, and today's high is, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's about 75. So we are trying to sell at 80 half, stop at 85 half, and we are trying for a very big move down. Okay, the target we are looking at is 2645, provided that 58 or 56 breaks. So let's do the analysis one more time and to see whether we should be making any changes, or the trade let it be as it is, or let's continue with this. Okay, let's do analysis. Let me show you the chart. So okay, let me show you the chart. Okay, so let's do one by one. Okay, when we look into euro, okay, the euro dollar, okay, what we feel is this market, this is in a downtrend, and the hourly looks like this is going to turn up. But as long as the price is below, okay, as long as the price is below 310 and 330, okay, we should see the price breaking the low. Okay, so just give me a minute now. My program is loading. Just give me a minute. Okay. Okay. Now let's see on the 15 minute. Okay, the 15 minute usually we call a trade control. Okay, we'll call it a trade control, and we should see the price not going beyond 370. So what we expect on the euro is we expect this low to break and the price should come down. Okay, that will happen provided if the data is good or super good, or came out to be as expected. But on the other hand, if let's say the data disappoints, then we might see the price spiking up, and we should see towards this, then eventually it should fail and it should come down. Okay, so we got to mentally prepare ourselves. Okay, but if the data is good, the market may go down from here. If the data is bad, then we might see the market spike up and come down. Okay, either one, both are giving pointing lower and pointing down. Okay, so we should be going for a sell and hold. Then the pound, okay, this is weaker than euro. So which means to say that this low has to break, and if it breaks, we should see the price heading towards 12040 and 12010. Okay, and if let's say I do a projection, we should even see 11940. Okay, so what I would want to tell you is get yourself prepared, and in the event, okay, in the event, because I don't want to give a stop buy order. Okay, stop order, because whether it's a stop buy or stop sell, we don't want to give, because the reason being is because of the slippage. And usually when we give a stop, we don't get the order filled in a specific level, so we just have to hit the market and try to do it. Okay, then the dollar yen. Since the dollar yen is coming off, okay, since the dollar yen is coming off, unlike the euro dollar and the pound, because both are pointing down, which is the dollar strength. But the dollar yen, this is showing some resilience, and it's just having a pullback. So we'll try to have go for a buy somewhere near. Okay, we will see we will wait for another 10-20 minutes, then maybe we may even want to hit the market. Okay, so I think the signals is clear. Then finally we come into gold. Okay, gold, looking at this move, okay, looking at the pattern, looks like this may be, or it may have stopped. Okay, for confirmation, we should not see the price going beyond 82. Okay, 82 or 86. So what we will try to do is, we will try to go for a sell. Okay, sell at 82 or 86. Then we will try to wholesale. Okay, wholesale. And again, it depends on the data's movement. But one more clue I can give you is, today or tomorrow, within I think tomorrow is Wednesday, and within Thursday we should see a very big drop on the gold. Okay, so this is another clue which we can give you. So either the drop can happen tonight if the data comes out to be super good, or whichever way, or it may happen tomorrow. So either way, we got to get ourselves prepared for a big drop. So the only clue is whether have we seen the high, or we have yet to see the high. That one, I think market has to give us an answer. Okay. So the next, well, we are waiting. Okay, let's do one more trade. One more trade. Sorry, I'm sorry, sorry. Sorry. Thank you. Okay, for dollar Swiss, okay, we are, I repeat what I've said. Okay, the dollar Swiss looks like the market still have not seen the high yet. Okay, so for confirmation, we can see this, if this low breaks, then we may see the price moving lower. Otherwise, we should see the price testing the highs, and we should see breaking the highs. So for dollar Swiss, what we can do is, we try to buy. In fact, today's low is 91.30, and today's low is also a current week low. Okay, so what we will do is, we will try to buy at 91.30. Then we'll, our price target, we try to exit at 92.30. Okay, so this is another signal we can put in. 91.30, stop at 91 figure, and 92.30. Okay, this is also half lot. Okay, this is also a half lot, and we put in this trade. So overall, I think this is more than enough. Okay, we don't want to get ourselves pressured. Uh, then give me a minute. Just now I saw we had two orders on the euro. Yeah, okay, it's here. So all are half lots. So we are trying to sell euro at 280, 310, pound at 12205, and gold at 2680 half, and dollar yen trying to buy at 157.50, and dollar Swiss buying at 91.30. So I think that's about it. We'll wait for the data. Then while we are waiting for the data, we can also tell you how we can go about that. Okay, just give me a minute. Let me also put in my trades. Okay, so let's see what we can do. I repeat, I repeat. Today we are expecting a big data. Okay, you see the Aussie dollar. You say you want to go for a buy. Okay, let me see. Please, what I want to tell you is, okay, let me see. Okay, we don't want to go for a buy. We don't want to go for a buy because we still feel that this low is going to break, and we should see the price heading towards 60.60. So Aussie dollar also in a similar situation. We should be holding short. That means we should be holding dollar. So what we feel is this is just a correction, and this low has to break. So it's best if you want to go, you try to go for a sell at 61.95 or 62. Don't go for a buy. Okay, this is all the dollar strength is still expected to continue. Okay, what we have seen is we have seen some pullback which we expected, and right now I think we have already seen the correction is already over. So if the data, okay, I repeat, the data comes out to be same as expected, okay, same as expected or better than expected, what we are, it should happen. That means what we believe is we expect the dollar strength to continue, right? But only in the event if the data came out to be bad, okay, bad, then if we may see the other way around, which is the dollar weakness. Okay, let's see. Then also do take note that try to be a bit alert because when the data is out, okay, we have another 10 more minutes. When the data is out, okay, I will be saying, okay, buy the dollar, okay, buy the dollar, which means that we should be selling euro dollar, we should be selling pound, we should be buying dollar yen. If you want to do dollar Swiss, go for a buy. Give me a minute. Then even the Aussie dollar, if you want to trade, you go for a sell. But when I say sell the dollar, then we try to do the other way around. Okay, that means we expect the dollar weakness. That means you should be buying euro, buying pound, selling dollar yen, and doing. The only difficult thing is the gold. Okay, because the gold is also, we are getting a very mixed signals. I think this morning already I said that we are getting a mixed signals on the gold. So we should be very careful on that, but we are expecting a big drop. Okay, we are expecting a big drop on the gold. So I'm not sure, that's why I said I'm not sure whether it's going to happen today or tomorrow the data is out. Okay, but within the next 1 2 days we should see the gold dropping by a big movement. We are looking at least about 40 $50 drop. Okay, so later I'll tell you, maybe once the data is out, then I'll tell you what to do, then we can see how we can play about. Okay, so while we have another 7 or 8 minutes more, do you all want to discuss on any market? I can give you a view. Then we will see how, while we are waiting. We have 8 more minutes. Okay, let's see what is the Dow Jones doing. Huh? Okay, the Dow Jones, I think we should be also going for a sell. Okay, looks like market may have stopped, and we should see a big drop to be seen. So if you want to sell Dow, we can try to sell at 640, 640, then wait for the price to move lower. So this is also, Dow Jones is also pointing down. Okay, Dow Jones is also pointing down, and what else we can see? Okay, let's see. Okay, let me share with you the screen. Okay, pound pound looks down. Dollar Swiss looks up. Aussie dollar looks down. New Zealand dollar looks down. Okay, so when we look into the lower time frame, pound is pointing down. Okay, point is down. The only thing is dollar yen is down, but I think this should be an extension. Okay, this should be an extension. So dollar yen, I don't think it's going to drop further. Then dollar Swiss, we expect the thing to go up. Okay, dollar Swiss is also, but the lower time frame are not giving any signals. If you notice, only the 2 hours and 4 hours and 6 hours are giving the signals. So the lower time frame is not giving the signals, which means to say that that signal is not so-called trustworthy, reliable. So we should be able to see a reversal. Okay, we have 5 more minutes. Okay, just you can wait for 1 2 minutes. Then after that, I'll tell you what, I'll recap and tell you again what is to be expected. Let me change the screen. Okay. So for those of you who are coming in late, okay, this is what we expect. Okay, we expect the data. We have 3 more minutes. So we expect anything better than this data. That means the core PPI expected is zero point 0.2. If it comes out to be zero point 0.2 or better, then PPI month on month expecting is 0.4. So if it came up, if it comes out to be zero point 0.4 or better, then we should see the dollar strength happening. But on the other hand, one data is good, one data is bad, then it might lead to a mixed signals. Then also, if both came out to be bad, then we should see the dollar weakness. Okay, when I say dollar weakness, we are expecting the euro dollar to strengthen, pound to strengthen, and the dollar yen to weaken. Then gold is a bit tricky, yeah. So maybe we'll put aside gold. Okay. Uh, I think gold. I think we can also go in the same direction because I think gold is also giving signs of weakness. So I think this can be taken as dollar strength. Gold can come down. Dollar weakness. Gold can go up. Okay, we have 1 hour. Sorry, what 1 hour? 1 minute, 50 seconds. Okay. Keep your fingers crossed. For those of you who are coming in first time, this is what we do. Okay, we'll try to put in the trades. Okay, I'll show you the trades what we have put in, keyed in. Okay, we are trying to sell euro at 102.80, trying to sell euro at 103.10, trying to buy dollar yen at 57 half, trying to buy dollar Swiss as 91.30, and trying to sell gold at 2680 half. So either way, if the spike happens, okay, if we get a spike, then we decide what to do. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay, good luck to those people who are trading live, and for those of you who are coming in first time, you can you can trade on a demo, or just do a paper trade, meaning you don't get into the trade, then you just uh, assume that you are taking a trade at specific levels. Okay, 30 seconds, and let's see what happens. Okay, pending, and let's see. Okay, the PPI came out to be very bad, huh? It's very bad. Market was expecting zero point 0.2, came out to be. So both the datas are bad. Okay, both the datas are bad, which means to say that I think the price most likely we may get filled. Okay, let's see what has happened. Huh? Let's see. Okay, dollar yen buy called is filled. Huh? Okay, let me see. Okay, dollar yen is filled. Uh, Euro and pound are still there. Okay, dollar Swiss is still not. Okay, gold is trying to, now is 73. Okay. Sorry. Okay, I repeat again. Sorry, yeah. Okay, gold. We'll try to sell at 72. Okay, let that order be. We'll try to sell gold at 72. Huh? Then dollar Swiss, we can try to go for a market 60. Okay, try to enter these two trades. Since we don't have any trades, okay, we'll try to sell gold at 72. Or even if you want to go 70, 70 half, you may do so because 2670. Okay, we'll put at 70, 755, and TP we leave it. TP later we'll put it maybe we'll put as 58 for the time being, and this is a half lot. Then dollar Swiss, go for a buy at market, okay, 60. The gold, if you want to try to sell, if you want to sell at 68 or 69 also, try to get into the trade. Okay, get into the trade. Okay, we are trying to enter market. Okay, we try to enter market at dollar Swiss. So we are holding two trades, dollar yen and dollar Swiss. Okay, gold. Okay, we try to sell because there's going to be a big move that is going to happen. Okay, euro dollar. Okay, let's see. I think euro also we can go for a market order. Okay, one the 280 we will go because since we don't have any trade. So we have three three trades on hand: dollar Swiss, dollar yen, and euro dollar, and gold. We are trying to sell at 70 half. Okay, gold is dropping. Gold is dropping. Okay, the let me see. You can still gold if you really if you say if you don't, I mean, you haven't got it. I think you can still go half lot at 64, 65 or 66. Try to just enter the trade. But I mean, we are not giving the signal. Okay, this is, we still want to maintain it. But if you are going to trade, then just go a small lot. No need to be a uh, big lots. So at least we think 66 would be a good level. 66 would be a good level to sell. Okay, let me double check. Yeah, 66. If you can get 66, you can go for a sell. Stop at 72 half. Okay, this is only for aggressive traders. This is only for aggressive traders. I repeat, this is only for aggressive traders. If you call yourself an aggressive trader, then you go for a sell at 66 half. If you're conservative, then I suggest you wait, or maybe you don't force yourself to take that trade. Okay. So far, I think we have opened three positions. Okay, let me show you. We are short euro dollar at 102.56, which we entered on the market. Then we are long dollar Swiss at 91.59. That also we entered at the market. And this dollar yen, we are long at 57.50. The one I think we key in the order, and we got that trade. Okay. So overall, we have holding three trades. And for those of you who did gold, okay, actually we were trying to sell at 70 half, but I think we couldn't get it. So I mean, we don't want to chase it. But if you are call yourself an aggressive trader, then you may want to sell at 66 half. Okay. So our order for this gold still remains. We don't want to change, and the only thing is, if we this one, you can lower it to 45. And the timing, I think I just want to give another 30 more minutes. So I'll just extend it to 22:30. Okay. So we are holding these three trades, and let's discuss this three trades together with the gold. Okay. Then this 80 half selling gold. Okay, that one I think we can give another 2 hours, maybe until uh, 24. Okay, that one also I think we can extend it because it's quite further away. So if we get it, we will take. Otherwise, I think it's okay. Let it cancel. Okay. So let's discuss all these trades first, and before we knock off. Okay. Let's say euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. What we feel is this market, even though the data is bad, okay, the data came out to be very bad. In fact, there is no PPI. In fact, this PPI, core PPI, is month on month is 0.00, which means to say that the one got no inflation. And PPI month on month, this is also down by another 0.2%. Okay. So both data came out to be bad, which means to say that the US may, I mean, based on this data, they should be cutting rates. But what we see is like Friday data came out to be very good. So there are some mixed signals that is happening. So one data is not going to kill the entire economy, right? So this is the the euro dollar. Until it closes above this level, okay, we can still be holding this trade. We should not see the price closing above 280. Okay, so uh, okay, this is for euro dollar. Okay, dollar Swiss market is is showing some weakness. So as long as it doesn't break this low, this can still go up, and the price has to break this low. Okay, give some more time. Okay, some more time for the market, and see how this thing moves. Okay, dollar yen. Market came off still within the range. So the only thing is we have given a target of 59.50. Okay, that one I think we should be reducing it to 58.40. Okay, 58.40. Let's see how this market responds after the bad data. So what we can do for dollar yen is we can raise the stop. Okay, we don't have to give so much. So this one, I think we raise it by 20 pips, at least 57.30. Okay, let me see the low, 50. So if it's 50, I think we can raise it to 57.40. Okay, 57.40, and we can wait to see. Okay, so then euro dollar also, I think we leave it the stop as it is. Dollar Swiss, I think this is also a 30 pips. Let it see. Let's see how the market settles down. Okay, settles down. Then we'll see how we can go about. Okay, so here, um, okay, hold on, huh? Okay, since the gold we have given, hold on, huh? Sorry, we'll just see. Wait, huh? Okay, since we have given another 70. Okay, hold on, huh? 72. Okay, since we have given a half an hour more, we will try to do at 72 and 76 half. Okay, 76 half, and the TP we will put it as 50. Sorry, still remain at 45. Okay, because like as I as I told you early on, we are expecting a big drop to happen on the gold. Okay, I'm not sure whether it's going to happen tonight or tomorrow. Even though the data, I mean, the data came out to be very bad, so we got to wait for the movement. Okay, wait for the movement. Okay, I think that's about it. Let's see what we will see on this outcome. Then let me see. This one 80 half. I think we have extended. Euro. This one is going to expire in 9 minutes. Then pound will also expire. Okay. So only thing is we will have these three trades. Let's see how this thing comes out. Okay. So with that, I conclude this session. All the best for you. Then we'll see you again tomorrow, and we'll see what is the outcome. If one more thing is, if you don't see the market responding in another after the 9 minutes, That means, like another 9 minutes, then the new time belt should come into play. So if you don't see the market coming in our favor, then you decide to close the trade or take decision. Okay, that's what I just want to know. If you feel the market is moving in our favor, then you can wait. Okay. Okay. Thank you, and see you again tomorrow. Okay.